You can recognize this technique by a linear shape, activated texture, and movement in the layers. Divide the hair into 4 quadrants, starting from the center of the fringe to the nape. The second parting should be from the highest point of the ear across the apex to the other side. Using your chi hair clips, secure all loose hair in each quadrant to the base of the section. Starting at the fringe, create a guideline by combing the hair in the natural fall and positioning your fingers horizontal to the parting. Distribute the hair forward with a horizontal projection. Hold your fingers parallel following the curve of the head and cut no further than the knuckle of your middle finger. Continue working with precise partings and consistent distribution. Use your comb as the reference point for even distribution. To increase the length at the sides, use the palm-to-palm technique and position your fingers non-parallel to the parting. At the center of the fringe, position your hand horizontally, cutting the hair even with the original stationary guide. Follow the guide to project this section horizontally. Position your fingers non-parallel to the parting. The length towards the back will increase as you cut. Create a secondary guideline in the crown area using a subsection from the apex, combing the hair straight up at a 90-degree angle. While still holding the tension on the hair, drop your hand towards the head to reduce stress on your shoulders, and cut. Continue bringing all sections perpendicular to the stationary guide for consistency. Use the previous guideline from the other side to keep the length consistent. Distribute the hair using a stationary guideline and control this between your fingers. Drop your hands closer to the head and cut parallel to your fingers to reduce the stress on the shoulders while cutting. Comb all hair down to utilize the slithering technique in the fringe. Begin by inverting your shears vertical to the part, holding them with the index finger and thumb for control. To achieve the same result on the opposite side, repeat step 19.